Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought I would run through 5 things that I really recommend doing before you head off on your first backpacking trip. It's things that we always tend to do before we head away, and it's things that I wish I knew about before my first backpacking trip 10 years ago. Helpful to do these sort of things while you're in the UK because it's just a lot easier. You haven't got to stress, you haven't got to panic. And yeah, it's just going to really help you have the best time as soon as you leave the UK. It's going to be amazing. So the first thing I recommend doing is getting an international driver's license. These are really easy to do. I think it costs around £5 and it's just going to save you so much hassle if you're away. I mean, over the 10 years that we've been going around to Thailand and Southeast Asia, we have been stopped a fair few times and asked for our international driver's license. So if you have this with you, then it'll save you being in an awkward situation, being threatened by fines, because I know a lot of people do actually get fines then as well. And it's not just in Thailand that you need it. You need it in most Southeast Asian countries. So yeah, you will definitely need to have something with you, and it does save carrying around your driver's license, because I know some people won't actually accept your driver's license then. I mean, we tried renting a bike from one place before and we shown them driver's license. We didn't actually have an international license to show them, and they refused because they wanted to see this international license. You would need to have the moped section signed off on the license as well to say that you are able to drive mopeds and bikes and stuff out in all of these countries, because that is what they will tend to look for. But me and Sam are both lucky enough that we actually done our bike test years ago when we were 16 and had mopeds. So we're quite lucky in that aspect because we always have driven bikes. So when we go to these countries, the first thing that we do is look for a bike rental and get on the bike and explore. So yeah, number 1 would be get your international driver's license if you do plan on going and renting bikes and doing all of that sort of stuff while you're out there. Number 2 would be a card you're going to be bringing with you. So I remember 10 years ago, I had a post office travel card, which was just, it wasn't the best. And now there's so many different options that you can pick from. I mean, there's Wise, Revolut, Monzo. There's so many that are all internet based, so you haven't got to have a physical bank to go into to set up the card. They all work on international transactions as well, and they limit the fees, which is really good, and that's what you really want to look for. I mean, for us personally, we have always used the Wise card. We've had it for years and years. We've never had any problems with it. It's always amazing. We can withdraw from all different cash machines. We pay by card in places. It's really good. I've put my family onto Wise as well because I just feel like it's such a good card. It gives you live exchange rates, which was absolutely amazing. It's all controlled through the app. So if you do lose your card, or if you have your card stolen, misplace it, whatever, you can just go onto the app, remove your funds, cancel your card, freeze your card. You can do all of that stuff on there then as well. And the one thing that I really like about it is you can have multiple card wallets on there. So you could have say £100 in Thai baht, £100 in Indonesian rupiah, Filipino pesos. You could have loads of different currencies in different wallets on the app then as well. So it does just give you so much freedom when it comes to, say, one day you're in Thailand, the next day you're in Bali and you want to be able to use your card, you can just go ahead and use it. If you've got any money left over in your Thai baht, you can transfer that directly over to your Indonesian rupiah and then to your Filipino pesos and stuff like that. It's honestly so easy. I will actually pop a link down in the description below because it will give you the option of a free card when you sign up using the link, which is really good because I think there is a small fee to get the card. Check out Wise because it's really handy. And yeah, like I said, we've never had any problems with it. I know a lot of people use Revolut and Monzo, but personally we have never used that. So we really recommend Wise card. My third thing would be travel insurance. Travel insurance, you've got to be a little bit careful with it because you want to make sure that it includes all of your activities. It includes you driving mopeds. It includes you traveling to the countries that you're going to be traveling to. It is quite a tricky one. So you've got to do your research. I mean, we've always used Safety Wing travel insurance. It gives you the option to extend, pause your trip, cut your trip short, gives you loads of different options. So when you sign up to Safety Wing travel insurance, you can say how long you're going to be away for, what countries you're going to, everything like that. You can do couple travel insurance as well, which is really handy for me and Sam because obviously we go together. So if it's just one policy, then we can just alter it then for the both of us rather than going into one policy and then into the other policy. So yeah, that really works for us as well. But yeah, Safety Wing is really good. It's really affordable as well. And I mean, everyone should be going away with travel insurance. I did actually get bit by a dog a few years back, and I was able to claim back all of the money that I spent on all of my rabies jabs and everything like that through the travel insurance, which was really handy. So yeah, definitely do not leave the UK without travel insurance, because although we all may think that we don't need it, we're never going to get hurt or anything like that. You just never know. The thing we always look for when we're picking travel insurance is to make sure that we've got enough medical coverage. So don't normally add on any extras. So I know with some of the travel insurance, you can add on all of the activity extras. We don't tend to do that. We normally just have the basic package, and it does cover you for the majority of the sort of things that you're going to be doing day to day while you're traveling around. Got the option then of cancelling, pausing, or then extending. So the extending bit is really, really big for us, because we go on a one-way ticket. We never know when we're actually going to be coming home. Just extending. So yeah, it was just really handy for us. We could extend as and when we please then. So yeah, definitely recommend Safety Wing. I will pop a link in the description below for you to go and check them out. And I will link the exact package that we normally go for as well. Number 4 would be to download the following apps. These will help you so much when you first land into a new country and you just want to get straight to your hotel, hostel, Airbnb, anything. It's going to be so handy. So in Thailand and most of Southeast Asia, to be honest, the 2 apps that we swear by is Bolt and Grab. These are like Uber in the UK. So Bolt and Grab, you can download them before you leave the country, because you actually do need a mobile number to sign up to the apps. And then as soon as you land into the new country that you're going to, you can jump on the app, put in your postcode to your new hotel that you're going to be going to, and the taxi will turn up outside of the airport. There are some airports where they make you walk outside the gate, but still, it's so handy. It's a fraction of the price to what airport taxis will charge you. It's also really handy as well if you get hungry one night, jump on the app, and then you can get food sent straight to your hotel. Really, really good. I would download both apps and then compare the prices, because in some countries Bolt will be cheaper, and then in other countries Grab will be cheaper. So it's good to just compare the both of them. And also it's good if you can't actually get a Grab or Bolt where you currently are, you can use them to compare how much the price would be. So sometimes if Bolt isn't allowed in an airport or in an area that we're looking to go to, we normally just jump on the app, get a price, because it will still show you the price of the distance that you're trying to travel. It just won't give you any drivers to pick you up. So we have a little look at the price, and then we can compare then. So if we need to go and ask one of the taxi drivers opposite us, we can just have a little price in mind then, that this is what we should be paying and this is what we'd like to be paying. So yeah, that's really, really handy. And number 5 for us is downloading your eSIM before you leave the UK. It's really good when you land in a new country. The Wi-Fi isn't always the best when you land into an airport. It's obviously super busy. Loads of people are trying to get on the Wi-Fi. So if you land and you can just jump straight on your phone, we've been using Airalo. Airalo has worked perfectly for us throughout all of our travels. It covers all of the countries that we're looking to go to. It's great. So we pre-install it on our phones before we leave, and then as soon as we land, we can just jump on our phone, order our Grab, order our Bolt, and just get straight to the hotel, get exploring, get out and use maps on our phone. We haven't got to worry about pre-downloading any maps on Google or Maps.me. Everything on our phone is just good to go. We can watch videos. We can do everything. On long travel days, we haven't got to worry about downloading things on YouTube or Netflix to be able to watch on the bus. We've done so many times. So yeah, download an eSIM. Airalo covers over 200 countries, which is perfect. So, I mean, the majority of the countries that everyone is sort of going to is going to be included in that list. You can pick your own data plan. So however many gig of data that you'd like to be able to use, you can pick. And then you can also add data on then as well. So everything will be controlled through your account. You can add data. You can stop your eSIM as and when you please. And you can use it with your UK SIM in your phone as well, which is really handy. So you haven't got to worry. So you haven't got to leave that SIM home to be able to use your Airalo SIM. You can keep it in your phone, and then as soon as you land back in the UK, then you can jump back over to your SIM and use your phone as you would then. Like I said, there's prepaid plans that you can pick from, or you can create your own package. And yeah, the coverage has been absolutely amazing as well. So we've compared it to actually buying a local SIM, and the coverage for the eSIM is just spot on. It's really, really good. I will pop a little link in the description below so you can go and check them out. We have tried a few eSIMs, we've tried local SIMs, and personally for us, Airalo has been the best for all of our travels. So yeah, definitely recommend Airalo. If you're planning a trip and you have any questions, please pop them in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as we can. And yeah, let us know if you're planning a trip, where you're going to be going to. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are going to be doing lots more content. We have a really exciting trip that we're in the middle of planning for next year. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.